Hi guys, this is your fabulous Fang. So today I will introduce you guys some of my favorite drinks. So we Thai, we all love nong priao or fermented milk, you know. Yeah. So we have one shot of this and I will sparkling things up. Spark, yeah. And with some soda and some fruit flavored beverage from Korea. You know what it is. So I will put this milk in my glass. Oops. I'm not really good at this. Okay. Here. Milk and some, this is lime flavor soda. You can find it in 7-Eleven or any store. Again, it's happening again. Okay, see? Smells so good, guys. And some strawberry flavor colorless drink from Korea. My favorite. You can add more, depends on your age and your scale, you know, that scale. Because this drink will give you a little tipsy. Yes, and I love sour. I'll put more lime juice in here. And because we are Thai, we love ice. We love things cold. Put some ice and don't put it too much, guys. My friend doesn't like it. Yeah. And drink. It tastes so good. So enjoy.